This is Teresa from the White Cat channel. Guess what I was up to? So many people have asked, how do you make rice? Well, I experimented, and I think maybe one or two, maybe three will pass for rice. It depends on what texture you like. This one I put through my blender, my Vitamix blender, and I did not put any water in it, and it came out kind of like this. Almost looks like cauliflower. Not really even in any way. And this one I also put through that same blender, but I added probably about twice as much water as I did the shirataki noodles. And this is actually not too bad. They didn't get as pulverized as this first one did. And these ones are sticking together pretty well. But there's got to be something you could use that in. And then these ones are just the old-fashioned way. I cut them up just by hand. You can tell I'm not the greatest cutter, but they're not too bad at all either. So they all have that taste, and they'll be good and filling and whatever you put in. Let's see if I can get any closer at all. Can you see that? So anyway, the other things I tried putting them through one of those food mills, like you make tomato sauce with, and you have this hand crank, and it's supposed to push it down through the bottom holes. That was a joke. It just, they're so springy, they didn't even cut at all. Let's see, what else did I try? Oh, I had a food processor, the kind that you put the food in the top and then put like a plunger in the hole. And that was a joke too. They barely cut them, and it was a fairly new blade too. So I tried it on, the long blade that's supposed to make slices. That did not do anything. And then I used the other side of the blade, which is supposed to be grating, for grating stuff. That did not work either. So I think either cutting them by hand or putting them through the blender, either dry, you don't need too many pulses, either dry or in a bunch of water, so they're not all clumped at the bottom. And you'll get this. Yeah, I kind of like that one. It was easier than cutting them by hand because they're so springy, they run away from the knife. So what else can I say about this? Oh, in the past when I did cut them, I just used the scissors too, but I think the knife would work better for this. And then also, if you're cutting them with a knife, lay them out straight. It'll make them easier to cut. Just kind of make a bunch that are straight in line together, and then chop, slice, 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 slice until they're all sliced. So either one of these, or either three of these, I think they're great. So I started experimenting because I was hungry and I wanted to make something. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll let you guys back to whatever you were doing. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and look forward to the future. When I get my recipe book out, I will let everyone know. So it's gonna be awesome. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.